my name is Rahmatiya Abdjul. You can call me Tia. I'm class A. I'm study program chemistry education and my name 441420011. And then our material module for modification of sulfur. Literature review. Sulfur is a chemical element in the periodic table that has the symbol as an atomic 18. Its form is T3 multiple non-metal. Sulfur is its natural form is a yellow crystal. Solid in nature, sulfur can be found as an essential element for life and is found in 2 amino acids. Its commercial is mainly in present but also gunpowder, methane and punchit. Tools and material category and the picture. And tools material category 2 and analytic balance, pump hood, and then picture. And tools and material and general material, tap water, aqueduct, copper chip, tissue, washing soap, sucrose, C12H22O11, ethanol, distilled water, filter paper, and specific material, CH3COOH, H2SO4, K2CrO4, and sulfur. Experimental work scheme, modification of sulfur. And then start. Burn 0.5 gram of sulfur in a Barton cup by heating the sulfur until it melts and freezes a percent crystal strength. Crystal and finish. And with experimental scheme 2 start. 1 heat 0.5 gram of sulfur powder in the test tube while shaking the tube. Observing the sulfur color change. The sulfur becomes a liquid. And then finish. Experimental work scheme characteristic of sulfur acid start. Heat a piece of copper in test tube containing 1 molarity H2SO4 not boiling. To observe the activity in the test tube, write the reaction equation. Water vapor formed in 1 test tube. Place the filter paper stained with K2Cr2O2 certain the mouth of test tube. Observe in color change the filter paper with the reaction equation. The area spot on filter paper. Finish and start. Observation result and treatment and observation. Modification of sulfur. This is picture. And then observation result, characteristics of sulfur acid and picture. Discussion. Modification of sulfur. First, modification sulfur acid in crystal form. Crystal form depending on temperature. In this experiment, sulfur metal because of the nature of the sulfur itself, it will melt. It is above the heating temperature of 95.6 degrees Celsius. After freezing, prismatic needs are formed, namely monoclinic sulfur or also called beta sulfur. The beta sulfur molecular needless constant of S8 trying weight is an octahedral crystal. The second modification of sulfur powder becomes a brown yellow liquid because the stirring is broken. If the temperature continues to be raised, the liquid will become viscous and the color will turn dark because the stirring is breaks and forms a cane. Sulfur color bursts and yellow. This is my picture. Characteristic of sulfur acid. The first step is to heat a piece of copper with 1 molaritas of contract H2SO4. When heat the solution boils from the result of observation gas bubble formation. Copper is inserted but can dissolve in sulfur as to form copper filter and sulfur dioxide. Gas bubbles formed. And then reactor, this is my picture. Sulfuric acid reacting with copper record hot concentrated sulfuric acid, and this reactant produces sulfur dioxide is O2. This happens because hot concentrated sulfuric acid acts as an oxidizing agent in the reactant that occurs in the both aqueous produces sulfur dioxide gas is O2 from the reactant between and copper and concentrated sulfuric acid and characterized by pressure of gas bubbles. The second observation was that the gas bubbles produced were tested by placing filter paper stained with K2Cr2O7 above the mouth of the test tube. After a while, the filter paper turns in a rich brown color. This is caused by the presence of CO2 gas produced from the reaction of copper and H2SO4. This is O2 gas the reactant with K2Cr2O7, which is marked by green color, and the filter paper is done for a white. However, the result will occur with his brown filter paper. The reactant occurs. This is picture. With brown filter paper, this is picture, and then the third observation the nature of sulfur as the drink again is reacted sucrosa with H2SO4. From the experiment, sucrosa is black. The equation for the reactant that occurs, this is picture, and then sucrosa turns black. It can be seen that H2SO4 decomposes sucrosa or separate hydrogen and oxygen from the sugar. Contrast sulfuric acid is a strain. That again the is the rise of water molecule from a material that it is drained by a material as H2SO4. The pressure of carbon produced from this reactant can be seen by the formation of black color in mixture when added with concentrated H2SO4. And the fourth, observing the nature of sulfuric acid as catalyst in the formation of ester is reacted 2 ml of acid, 2 ml of alcohol, and 2 ml of concentrated H2SO4. Then heated before heating the tube while with feel not. This is due to the reaction between sulfuric acid and acid and alcohol that is heated to produce air bubbles. The reactant can be related in the equation CH3COH and then picture. This is picture. Picture smile like candy. From the above, because it can be seen that the reactant is an esterification reaction where a carboxyl acid is reacting with an alcohol with an acid catalyst to produce an ester and water molecule. Here it can also be seen H2SO4 acid and a catalyst in the esterification production, and the experiment result obtained at the small like a candy with indication that reacted in ester. Conclusion: sulfur can be modification which is called an altrop. The result of the modification are rhombic C8 that crystal from obtained is affected by temperature, while sulfuric acid has property as an oxidant against the hearing again as a catalyst in the formation of ester. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. This is module 4. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.